Accelerate your English. Mastering adverb plus adjective collocations. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another video in our series on mastering English vocabulary. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of adverb plus adjective collocations. Now, collocations are words that frequently go together, and understanding these combinations can really level up your fluency. So, let's get started. In English, adverb plus adjective collocations are combinations where an adverb is used to modify or emphasize an adjective. For example, in the phrase, utterly amazing, utterly is an adverb that strengthens the adjective, amazing. The magic of these collocations is that they give your language a native speaker feel and can make your sentences much more expressive and accurate. Now, let's explore some commonly used adverb plus adjective collocations. Pay attention to these combinations, as they appear frequently in native English speech and writing. 1. Highly unlikely, very improbable. 2. Deeply sorry, extremely apologetic. 3. Utterly amazed, completely astonished. 4. Perfectly clear, completely understandable. 5. Ridiculously expensive, extremely costly. Alright, now that we've seen some examples, let's see how they fit into sentences. 1. It's highly unlikely that it will rain today. 2. I'm deeply sorry for the mistake I made. 3. She was utterly amazed by the performance. 4. The instructions were perfectly clear. 5. The dress was ridiculously expensive. Remember, using these collocations can significantly enhance your English expressions and give your language a natural flow. Now it's time to practice. Try using each of these collocations in a sentence of your own. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to play around with these combinations and make mistakes. That's how we learn. Well, that's a wrap for today's lesson on adverb plus adjective collocations. We hope this video has helped you understand this type of idiomatic expression better. Remember, incorporating these into your everyday English can really make a difference in your fluency. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy language learning!